Hi guys, so as you can see I'm at McDan Aviation. We're about to jet off to Kumasi or Psycho where I have some few things to do there. I just want to urge everybody, if you want to fly a jet in Ghana, just try and link McDan Aviation. And they'll treat you good. Shatta Wale.
Abusia for high group at transmitting at cyber and then no first time now if you video but more than a click to subscribe button via my upload video be now on sa I can quick pa Abusia for your dance okay Shatta Wale eba BPM ewu Kumasi oni Dr.Likee ne to nsa friends so on be peaceful work Kumasi mbontation to so auto nsa every the king the dance okay of Shatta Wale se ombra embebo so obano Shatta Wale ebuku the McDan's a private jet.
Hi guys, so as you can see I'm at McDan Aviation. We're about to jet off to Kumasi or Psycho where I have some few things to do there. I just want to urge everybody, if you want to fly a jet in Ghana, just try and link McDan Aviation. And they'll treat you good.
Now urban we took private jet from a year Accra Edinburgh Kumasi said that be a can say one custom what is a yana mubos in a teaser no Shatta Wale Kwani a teaser or back Kumasi or use private jet. There's no any artist or Ghana or back Kumasi or use private jet apart from Shatta Wale.
You mean what they once that's Joey, that's Solange, that's Salty man. When I PJ McDan Aviation man, thanks to the crew, thanks to everybody man. I'm here with Danny Ray, Hey. That's clear. That's my bestie. Jet lag.
Nkuti nsema abra okushia Dr.Likee NJFM nsema do you
know, but I still want to go back to the private jet. We back I say Kumasi the old back a na uboka kasa na odi be Kumasi. Is it not that huge?
Yeah, but you know, one thing I'll tell you is that the Ashanti Kingdom is one of the kingdoms like that is being respected in the world, you know, and I really, you know, always talk about, you know, Yera Otumfo said to, you know, it's really kept a monarchy that I feel if Shatta movement will grow like that, you know, people in the near future will come and respect, you know, the legacy of Shatta movement. So me coming to Kumasi, you know, to bring a jet here, it shouldn't be something surprising because yena now no.
Yeah.
Hey.
One don.
Where have you been?
No bro, you know. One don.
Is it where you are? I don't hear you.
This is Abro Nika who one don ka unko Kumasi. Abro timi kasa sami si Abro be wu. It'll be a long time.
It's been a long time. I know. I'm good, my bro.
That's man.
I'm no. You're the street footer now, you know.
Welcome, bro. Welcome
thank
to
you, man.
Bro.
Thank you. If we leave here, we're gonna go to London, you know.
Oh,
you.
Man.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, man.
Mayra mpo.
Who continue to say to come from?
Mayra.
Senior man so Jinagwa.
Na say come no wa na say afere.
Me one don ambassador. Street father ambassador not street so I see.
Na ma yehwe enema mienu eno aboso. Dr.Likee le dwumadi a obedi na wasa.
Pachan.
Nti the na first.
Likee the na first.
Ene da ben.
And
30th.
Okay.
30th, yeah.
30th.
Okay. Yen share then na ubinya love kese de ma Likee sir. Starting from where?
So say I can say Likee no there me no yet close from like I think what's make I say bandana days. Time on watch church movies now I'm my favorite, you know, actor.
Yeah.
One time I say I go share with Joy Daddy. Fie and I'm in the tiabon thing now why rasta. And they contemplate here about, you know, how you know, no catch me the way of premium, you know, no so catch me like the way I know women a Jumana or you know,
we just rasta and who's what
you know, some them in that's how time do not me ship but I don't know she.
Is that the way?
I was that mean shisa because I'm always busy.
Don't pepper and play dry.
As a billionaire smoking at me.
And only a day, you know.
Oh, puff. Oh, they are told.
Now they are told.
You know.
Yeah. So on that day, no, you'll be a part of the walk, no.
Yes, I'll be. Yes. I came to like fully support him because Likee has been supporting my Shakti business from day one. Maybe no cry no me arrangements kakra amano, but Uncle True, you say last time Miss Mommy team say umbema no car mommy just because I feel say dream now me car from back then no. We who dream for our support your mommy so and sometimes mission is kids no Mali and the best like fana they be our ocean. Sometimes to make screenshotting video, know that saying say like the Shakti 9 ways like I'm telling you like there's him to me to GP man and me remember no if it wasn't the WhatsApp people I wanted to wait because it's been long since I came here and I wanted to come here and come and surprise him but the way I now no friend me say oh yeah we know me so my member na at least any which way like it all pay me whether money or no money he likes me so let me just come and support him.
Wow. It's like arrangements said the my BBI read on the 30th near it so life.
It so pa life.
Activities never day.
You be walk. I walk no Radiadom Winya the street father. The can street father obu na on TSC. Answer na winya street father na enye easy.
Yeah.
To say we DBC na your street father no ginemu in fact na akoye negisem abronso etechiri say Kumasi SM
chief in command
Kumasi some flex that had only post some begi tight no Kumasi
iti omoto ko almost start here no
sa
enro ne same
we enua talk wa obekọ akọkẹ no Ube
almost start here no ne same enro mo press fe no asa
Kumasi so that time Monday to date
wow enti say there enua na eguso peace walk no enua na eguso nti enya street father ono so be ba bi di enim de yesterday street fo ni nyina asumdwe ne epe sanse say Ghana asumdwe ba ebi be kan yen ebi be kan obia na ade abre McDan say mimi dream ni bi eni kura no
okay
ono na me hwe na me follow na me yede ni sua no na nsen kura wo hwe underground artista oyi wo mu pie in fact me te dem na say blawe da bia de mesrema no yen kwatenten da bia kwatenten na mesrema no se bla isenka homla nko awu iti oyobia chese oye makuma pa oye makuma pa inti no debi do say ye kase street father no the street in so na head tiase yi pa street father pa it is we ye bi na father de animu a na in fact eni makoyi wa makora no fafo no kase meta mochia eno kra ek it SMD SMD ti say SM baby Shags in the bia me kan say nye ne dia ye dia ti say no say hia how bi enko no bi de be kwa abro ho na abro ne nwa sam flex no ma hu de ombe na asolve ye problem ama ye
me akwan be say me che no office Kumasi
oh sir
yeah me am be say me che no office me che no so o say escafo amafo nche o ma de
no kre no kre